Hey guys, I'm Crystal Amanda and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be going over 10 travel essentials to pack with you for your next trip. Before I begin, I will sort these essentials in 3 categories: health, safety, and tech. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First up under health is bed bug spray. If you're staying at a hotel or Airbnb, you want to be sure to bring bed bug spray. This is the brand that I use. It's travel size and odorless, and I got it from eBay, which will be listed in the description below. So when you arrive at your accommodation, you want to spray along the sides of the mattress, the headboard, take the duvet cover off, spray on top of the sheets just to cover all bases, because you can have clean sheets but a dirty mattress, and you wouldn't want to wake up with bed bug bites. Bed bug bites. Travel essential number 2, Lysol wipes and or Lysol spray. I usually bring both, but either or will suffice. And this is really for your hotel room or your Airbnb, wherever you're staying. I would use the Lysol wipes on surfaces like countertops, toilet seats, doorknobs, air conditioning units, remote controls, anything that we touch a lot throughout the room. And I use the spray to spray around the room just to kill any airborne germs. And I always bring travel sizes with me. Here are the wipes, and here is the spray, just in case you couldn't tell by the pictures. And I got these both from my local CVS, so you can get these from your pharmacy or Amazon. Travel essential number 3, Pepto Bismol chewables and or TUMS. Now, I mentioned the Pepto Bismol chewables over the liquid because the liquid for me got confiscated on my way back to the US. This is actually a new one that I purchased, but I did have my TUMS, so I was good. But just to be safe, pack the Pepto Bismol chewables if you do decide to pack Pepto Bismol. Travel essential number 4, a first aid kit. Now, this first aid kit is travel size, but it has everything needed just in case you cut yourself, scrape your skin, burn yourself. It has alcohol wipes, band-aids, gauze, ointment. But the only thing that I recommend adding to this is either like Advil or Tylenol, ibuprofen, whatever you use for pain and headaches. Moving on to the next category, safety. Now, these travel essentials are also listed in my last video, 10 safety tips for solo travelers. If you haven't seen that video, please go watch it. It is linked in the description below. Travel essential number 5, a portable door stopper alarm and or door lock. This is a portable door stopper alarm. It is a door stopper and an alarm. So in the event someone tries to push open your door, the alarm will go off. It has an on and off switch in the back, and you can adjust the sensitivity on the side. This is a portable door lock. It has 2 sizes, so you can use the appropriate size. You will put it in the door and then lock it. So if someone tries to push open your door, it will not push open. You can get these both as a set, or you can get these separate. And I got these both from Amazon, and they are listed in the description below. Travel essential number 6, a portable self-defense alarm. Now, I wouldn't recommend walking the streets at night, but if you do, please bring a portable self-defense alarm with you. If you don't have a portable self-defense alarm, you can bring mosquito repellent as a mace pepper spray alternative. Now, since some countries consider mace pepper spray a concealed weapon, mosquito repellent is a great alternative. This is the repellent I'm referring to, the Off Deep Woods brand, and this is so strong. The fumes in here will have you gasping for air. I remember I only sprayed a little bit on my skin, so imagine spraying this in someone's face. It's over for them. Okay, moving on to the final category, and that is tech. Travel essential number 7, a portable charger. So in the event you are out and about, you won't be back to your hotel room, your Airbnb anytime soon, you have your portable charger to charge your phone. This is the exact charger that I use. It charges my phone really fast, and you can get multiple charges out of it. I got this charger from Amazon, so that will be listed in the description below. Travel essential number 8, a portable Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi that I use. It's called GlocalMe. You can either purchase a SIM card or purchase a plan directly from their app. They offer day plans, 7-day plans, 15-day plans, 30-day plans, and yearly plans. So if you're traveling to a rural area or an area that loses power a lot, you will still stay connected. I got this one from Amazon and it is listed in the description below. Travel essential number 9, a universal travel adapter. Now this comes in clutch if you do a lot of international traveling. All electrical sockets are not the same, and this universal travel adapter covers over 150 countries, including the US, Australia, the UK, Japan, and many, many more. So if you have an upcoming international trip planned, do your research and find out what type of electrical sockets they use, because you just may need a universal travel adapter. I got my universal travel adapter from Amazon, plus it comes with a protective case and is listed in my description below. Last but not least, travel essential number 10, an extension cord. Yes, people, an extension cord. I can't tell you how many times I arrived at an Airbnb or a hotel and they had 1 or 2 outlets in inconvenient spots in the room, 1 USB port by the bed. Bruh. That's not gonna cut it for me. I usually have multiple things to charge, like my camera batteries, my cell phone of course, my portable charger, my portable Wi-Fi, my laptop if I'm bringing my laptop. So those 1 or 2 outlets in those inconvenient spots won't work for me. So I always bring an extension cord. So there you have it, guys. Those are my 10 travel essentials to pack with you for your next trip. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you pack any of these essentials and if you have any other travel essential recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Provocation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.